In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a WordPress page in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to spruce up your blog, update your business site, or simply make some necessary changes, this guide is designed to help you navigate the WordPress platform effortlessly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access your WordPress site. For that, open your preferred web browser and go to wordpress.com. This platform is where the magic happens, allowing you to build a site, sell your stuff, start a blog, and more. Once you're on the site, look for the login button. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you have several options for accessing your account. If you have a Google account, a convenient option is to click on Continue with Google. This simplifies the login process by using your existing Google credentials. Now, select the Google account you wish to use for this purpose, ensuring it's the one linked to your WordPress site. After choosing your account, you'll be prompted to continue. Click on Continue to proceed. This action grants WordPress the permissions it needs to operate seamlessly with your Google account, ensuring a smooth and integrated experience. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the My Home page of your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center from where you can navigate to various site management tools. To start editing your pages, hover over the Pages option on the left side. You'll see it expands to provide more options, and from there click on All Pages. This section shows you a list of all the pages your website currently has. From the list, select the page you wish to edit. This could be any page on your site, from your home page to your contact page, or any custom page you've created. Upon selecting a page, you'll be taken to the editor view. WordPress uses a block editor, which makes page editing a breeze. If you want to add new content elements to your page, look for the plus icon, typically found in the top left corner or within the body of the page where it says Add Block. Clicking on this icon brings up the Blocks menu, offering a wide variety of content types you can add, from paragraphs and images to galleries and buttons. But wait, there's more. Besides standard blocks, WordPress also offers patterns. These are pre-designed layouts of blocks, perfect for adding complex arrangements with minimal effort. You can find this option right next to the Blocks tab. Click on Patterns if you want to explore these ready-made layouts. Within the Patterns section, you can browse different categories. Each category serves specific needs and aesthetics, from image galleries to testimonial sections. Once you find a pattern you like, click on it to add it to your page. After making all your edits and laying everything out to your satisfaction, don't forget the most crucial step: saving your changes. Locate the Save button, usually found in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking this will apply and save all the changes you've made, ensuring your updated page is ready to be viewed by your visitors. Remember, WordPress is designed to be user-friendly, but like any powerful tool, it takes a little practice to master. Don't hesitate to experiment with different blocks and patterns to discover what works best for you and your site. With consistent practice and exploration, you'll soon be editing your WordPress pages like a pro. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Editing your WordPress page doesn't have to be daunting, and now you have the knowledge to update your site with confidence. Keep playing around with the different options, and remember, the key to a great website is continually refining and updating to keep it fresh and engaging for your audience. Happy editing!